How to delete your Epic Games account. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Geek. So in today's video I'll simply guide you on how you can delete your Epic Games account, so just make sure to watch the video till the end. So in order to delete your Epic Games account, what you have to do is first of all go to epicgames.com and then log into your account. I'll make sure to drop a direct link down in the description box, so you can click on that link and then just go to the website. Once you're on it, you can see I'm already signed into my account because you can see my username at the very top. And what you want to do is hover your mouse icon over your username and you'll find this little button that says account. So all you have to do is just go to this account option that you see, and then once you go to the option called account, you'll land on this specific page right over here where it will take you to your personal details and account settings, where just make sure that once again you're under account settings on the left hand side, and then you just need to scroll down to the bottom and then you'll find the option called delete account. So it says click request account delete to start the process of permanently deleting your Epic Games account, and then all you have to do is just click on this little red button that says request account delete. So just click on that option. It'll ask you for a confirmation, are you sure you want to delete your Epic Games account? So all you need to do is just confirm the changes by clicking on this red delete button again, and that's all it takes to delete your Epic Games account. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video.